Okay, so this is the interface when you open the sample project. Okay, sorry. And at here, at file, and at file tab, if you go to open, okay, option bar. Okay, first of all, option bar is located at here. But if you are not doing anything, it will not appear. Okay, for example, I click the wall. Okay, and then the option bar will appear. Okay, same as the contextual tab. Okay, it will appear here once you are doing something. Okay, for example, you're not doing anything, and that conceptual tab will not appear. Okay, unless you are doing like for example, you are modify roof. Okay, so the conceptual tab will appear at the top here. You want to edit the profile or else, or you want to copy or what else, and this is the option bar for you. For example, like wall okay, maybe like you want to edit that dimension, or maybe like families is a bit where is it? So there are some tools, maybe like in structure, you will be more understand about this. You will you can edit the height and the depth or something like that. You will be right here. But usually we will edit at the properties palette. Okay. So tools at the current tab, tools on the current tab ribbon. So this is architecture. So this is the tools on the current tab ribbon. Okay, so this is the structure, and all these are the tools on the current tab ribbon. Okay, and lastly is the panel of the ribbon. Okay, for example, you go to the architecture tab. Okay, this is all the ribbon and tools on the tab. Okay, you can see at bottom of here. Okay, for example, like room and area, this is what we call panel of the ribbon. Okay, so this is like have another tools on top of the category lah. So this is all the room and area category, and this is like another tools lah, and we will use it later. Okay, so that's it. That's the example. That's a like a explanation on the features and function of the interface. So any question? Any question ke?
Sir, can you show again the edit assembly, how to control it for the
Uh,
edit assembly?
I can't hear you clearly.
Can you show again the edit assembly control, how to open the edit assembly?
How to open the LE assembly? I can't understand. You mean like edit what? What? I can't.
Like just now you edit the wall, right?
Okay, okay,
How to open the window for the
okay,
edit page?
okay. First of all, you click the wall. Okay, and then at the properties palette, you can see edit type right here. You can see. So click the edit type. So this is all your info, and this is where you want to edit your structure of your wall. Okay, but you can click edit. This is where. So for some of you that not have a preview, you can click at the bottom of the left. So it will show the preview of your brick wall lah. The clear layers. So this is the function, and this is the material. and we will create later for you. We will create during the project. You will set your material, you will set your thickness, and else. So this is menjawab soalan.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
okay. We will go detail later when you creating your project. Okay. Any other question? Semua okay ke?
Okay.
Ke ada yang yang pisang?
Okay, saya cuma blur sikit.
Boleh sikit. Okay, tak apa.
Blur
Uh,
sikit.
tak apa, tak apa.
Doktor, tukar saya doktor.
You will
Dah.
understand later when you are doing project lah, because
InsyaAllah.
this is like a theory, might be bored, wah, macam you not yet use it. Maybe you will do and you will understand better.
Doktor,
Yes,
nanti kan untuk recording ni, doktor ada share dengan kita sekali lagi tak?
recording. I'm not sure. Maybe not. But if you have any question, I will close monitor you. Or maybe like sooner you have a question, I will assess you. Maybe you just come to our office and we will close monitor you. So I'm not been told to Dr. Tamizi to give you this video. Maybe not. So if you have any question, you can ask me directly, and jangan malu lah. Ah,
Alright, thank you
ah,
doktor.
santai-santai je. Okay. Any else? Okay. If not, we take a break a little bit and we start at like 4:45. Sorry, like 10:45. Take a break a little bit. Okay, and we will start doing project. Okay, that's all. You can close. Yeah, don't save. Don't save. If you save, it will affect your sample. So just close. Close all tab. You want to save? Don't save. Say no. Okay. We will start the project later. So take a break first, and we will start at like 10:45. Okay. Thank you. And for those who have question, project browser is missing, your properties is missing. Okay, where we want to find it, or maybe like okay, maybe like your ribbons are all missing. So if your ribbon are all missing, you just click at here, minimize tab, and then you just like multiple time, and it will appear. Okay, for example, you want to like appear back your properties palette and your view or anything. You go to the view tab. You go to the view tab, and at the right, you can see it, the user interface. Okay, you click the user interface. Okay, so this is, you can see your project browser, your properties. Okay, so you just tick the project browser and the properties, and it will be back. Same goes to any other tools. Or at the drawing area, you right click and you can open it right here. Okay, let's say I already miss it. You right click at the drawing area and you go to the browser and you open the project browser. So actually the system browser we use in mechanical discipline. So if you want to like so this is actually, so this is what you learn actually is, oh, you can see. Okay. So you can see right here it is fundamental modeling architect. So this is like a architect module. So you actually learning the same as you go to the like private training for CIDB certified. You want to take the CIDB certified, and you will learn the same module lah. So luckily, you learn this thing lah, in free, but you not get the certified lah. You will for this, but for this lesson you use this module lah. So if you there is architecture and structure, maybe next 2 weeks you will learn structure by using the CIDB module also. And there is mechanical and electrical module lah. So this is example of like mechanical and electrical module. Okay, so this is mechanical. So maybe like mechanical, you will use this system browser. So it's more like on mechanical meter. So this is electrical module. Okay. So maybe you will only learn architect and structure module. So basically you attend CIDB training and you will use the same module lah as our training. So the fee is you can try to Google itself. So its fee is around I think like 1,200 per head lah. So yeah, try to like take advantage in this class lah. So any question you can ask me, I will go for you one by one. Okay. Any issue or any question? If not, we can proceed to create a new project. Okay. So close first. Okay. So this is the interface when you newly open your project. Okay. First of all, go to the model. Make sure you click new at the model punya title lah. Not families lah. Families is you want to families is a component of things like window or door. We call it as family. Okay. So you can see here is example of families. It's table. It's small component that we load into the project. We call it as families. So model is a building itself. We will create floor, we will create wall, we will create roof or any major component at the model or project. So okay, at the model title, you create a Revit model file, create new. Okay, once you create new, and this will pop up. So select architectural template. You will use mechanical template. It's a little bit different. But maybe you want to study what how template. You want to use template. Maybe you will use in your final year project. So you will like customize a little bit your template. Your template is like for example, this one project. Okay, you want to build a grid line and a level. Okay, and then you want to all your team members use the same grid line and the level. Okay, actually like you want to use you want your team to use the same book lah. Actually you don't want like this guy tiba-tiba level dia jadi 1,300 and then another guy like level dia dah lain-lain kan. So you want like to use your team members in a same page. So you need to set up template first. Okay. So we not yet teach template. So this is only fundamental and it's not like maybe like you want to further study, you can explore it a bit. Okay, about template. So that's a little bit about template. So right now we use architecture template. Everyone have architecture template, or does some of you not have architecture template? Okay, yeah. So if you want to use template. So you will click template. But right now we want to create a project. So make sure yourself not to select this project, not okay. So architecture template and project, and then click OK. So it will show that your drawing area is like empty like this. Okay. Okay. If everyone good, and we will save this file first. So go to File tab and save as project. Okay. So if you are not like using the project, you can't save in project. Like right now, we can't save in family because we are using that project, new project things. But if you want to create family, and it will go use template family, and you can't save it in project. So if somebody that that see that the project is there, so it has wrong in the first step. So the first step is really important. So go to File tab and save as project. Okay, save at your desktop, or else save the file first. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
kalau tak jumpa kan saya dah tekan new,
Okay.
tapi dia tak keluar architecture template.
Okay. Okay. It's okay. Or maybe some of you that doesn't have template. Okay. First of all, go to new. Okay. And then tak ada architecture template and doesn't have architecture template. You can browse it right here. Okay. So the file location is at program data, local DC or dist. Program data, Autodesk, Revit 2021, template, and select English. So I will go with you. Okay, so go to computer. Sini lah, buka ajak. Maybe like some of you are not unhide file. Okay. So first of all, we go to my computer. Okay, my computer. Okay. Then you go to local DC. Local DC. Okay. And then ada tak program data? Does anyone of you doesn't have program data? Okay. If the program data did not show or hide, so you go to organize. Okay. Organize and folder and search option. Okay. Dekat ni general, ambil view tab. Lepas tu ni tick dekat show hidden file. Okay. Ni kalau yang biasa orang tak nampak program data ni. So you go to organize and you go to folder and search option. You go to the view tab and show hidden file, folder and drive. Tekan apply. So okay. So that the program data will be appear. So you click program data, you check Autodesk, and then you go to RVT for whatever your version that you install lah. So right now we are using RVT 2021. Okay. Click on templates and select English. Okay. Dapat tak? Okay. So architecture is same as default metric. So we can use this default metric. Okay. So you want to browse. Okay. So this is your file location. So right now, okay, so you can't find your file, you can't, the template is not appear, so you create new, you browse your data, maybe it will not appear right here, so you go to the my computer, local DC, oh sorry, local DC, program data, Autodesk, uh, RBT 2021, or any version that you install. Kalau if you install 2022, 2022 lah. So you go to the libraries. Wait. Sorry, templates. Libraries is for like next we want to use door or window. We will go to this libraries file. So right now we use template file, English. Okay, and find default metric. Open. So it is the same as architecture template. So open. Okay. Okay, dapat ya? Yang tadi tu.
Dapat je.
Okay. So default metric is same as architecture template. You can rename it later. Okay. And create new project and then click OK. Okay. And then go to file tab and save your file first. Save as project and and you want to make a specific file also can. It will be better because it will like have a 10 backup, like 10 previous files. So it's better for you to create a specific folder. And set the file name. And save. Okay. Any other question?
No.
Okay, we will proceed to the next step. Okay, first of all, at your project browser, go to East Elevation. So double click East Elevation. So right here, you can see is the level lah. So it has only 2 level. Okay. So this is okay. We want to make like a five story, five 5 tingkat, 5 level. So we're gonna create like another 3 level. Okay. So if you want to create level, so you go to architecture tab and then at the datum area or at the datum column, you go to the level. Okay. At the architecture tab, you go to the level. Okay, I will show you first. Maybe some of you only like one window. It's okay. I will show first and then we will do it together. Okay. So focus first. Okay, go to the architecture tab and click level ribbon and click okay. So if you move your cursor to the drawing area, so place anywhere, it's okay. You can edit later, but if you want to make like the level like really align, you can see the dotted line. Okay, click and move. Okay. So that's how you want to create level. Or you are like there's a lot of way to create level. or maybe like uh you want to make it really fast. So you just there is another option. So you first click the level 2, okay, at the what we call at the contextual tab. Once you click the 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 level, and the contextual tab will appear. So you have align tools, you have move tools, copy, and so on. We will go through it one by one later. Okay, so right now we want to copy level 2 to level 3. Okay, so click the level first and click copy. Copy. Okay, so first of all, you can see at the at your status bar. Okay, you can see at your status bar, it's same as AutoCAD. So once you are familiar with AutoCAD, and that macam tab punya comment tu dia ada kat bawah ni kan. So it will show you what you need to do lah. So click to enter the move start point. So click the move start point dulu. So we click at level 2 lah. And where do we want to copy lah. So better make sure it is 90 degree. And what is the gap between the level lah. So right now the gap between the level is 4,000. Okay. So easy. So if you copy, and then you will find out that the bubble thing is gray. That's a bit different. So this previous version, if you create your own self, create. Nampak? Once we create also, we can we can see that the gap between the level lah. You see like 4,000, then I drag. Okay. Nampak? So this previous version, if you create this like the bubble will also be black. For this new version, it already turned blue, mean it is active lah. If you want to know your level is active or not, okay, you can see at your floor plan, it already have level 5. Okay, I will show you first. It doesn't need to do. We will do it together. Okay, so it is different between the black bubble thing. So okay, you can like drag your mouse slowly, or you just make sure it is 90 degree, and you can type on your keyboard like 4,000. So automatic it will copy to the specific distance that we key in. But you can see right now it is black. Black means it is not active yet. So if you can see at the floor plan, it will not appear. So that's the difference. So it's okay if you are not active, or if you are active or not active yet. I will teach you how to active the level later. So okay, we will create the level first. Okay, so we do it together. So either you want to create level, or you want to copy. For me, I think easier way is to copy. So click the grid and copy. Okay, until level 5. Okay, so it is 4,000. Oh, sorry, 400. So the distance between level to level is 4,000. Okay. Okay. Once you you accidentally put like a wrong amount, wrong distance. So you want to move your grid line, you can select the grid line you want to move, and right here you can see it is indicate that distance. You click that distance and you change it to 4,000. Automatically it will move to 4,000. Okay. So that's it. You want create it until level 5. Create that level until level 5. Okay. Okay. So here it is. Okay, any question? Ada yang sangkut ke? So maybe okay. If everybody done, okay. See my screen first. Okay. It a little bit easier if you have a dimension between this level lah. So if you want to create dimension, you go to the annotate tab. Okay. And at the dimension, use align. So you click align and you select the level, the component or the level that you want to measure lah. So right now I just click the level 1 to level 2 first. And you can continue to the another other level lah. Okay. For example, you want to continue until level 10. So once you're done, you click anywhere at the drawing area. Okay. So escape lah. So the gap is 4,000. For example, once of you are like maybe like okay okay, for your information also, you can rename the level. For example, this is level 1, level 2, this is must be level 3 lah. So you can click the level name and you just edit. That easy. So same as this level, you want to rename it as level 4. And same goes to here. Click the grid the level first and rename it as level 5. Okay. So level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. For example, some of you, let's say like the distance between the level is not enough, like maybe like 2.8 or something. Okay. So you can if you want to move here, like for example, you want to do my first method. Okay, click the grid first, click the level first, click the object that you want to move first, and click the dimension to 4,000. Okay, so the distance between the level 4 and level 5 will be like smaller because we already moved the level 4. Same goes to here. Click the level 5 and click 4,000. Okay. So every level must have 4,000 gap between each other. Okay, so far ada yang tertinggal ke? Any question? Please call me. Please inform me. I will guide you. So any question? Kita apa buat dulu macam ni? Kalau ada question bagi tahu. Okay, if you don't have any question, okay. So make sure that your drawing area has level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, and every distance of the level is 4,000, and some of the level like not like you want like for example like level 5, You can rename it by click on the grid, on the level, and click the name. So rename it as level 5. Okay. If everybody done, so next step is we wanna active the level. So right now, level 3, level 4, level 5 is not appear at the floor plan. You know, you can see right now it's only level 1 and level 2 because you can see the bubble is green, is blue. Mean it is active. So the black one is not active yet. Or maybe like some of you using architecture tab and level. So in version 2021, it will be auto active. So in the backdated version, it will not active. So we need to active manually. Okay. Okay. Focus first. We will active the level. So if you want to active the level, you go to the view tab. You go to the view tab. You go to the create column. Create column. And you find plan view. Okay. Plan view. You drop down your plan view and you select floor plan. Okay. Okay. If you click that, I will repeat again. Go to the view tab, go to the create column, and go to the plan view and select floor plan. Okay. It will appear the level that not yet active. So this level 1, level 2, level 3. Okay. You can select it one by one, or you can select it serentak and click OK. So the level is automatic active. You can see the level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. And you go to the east elevation at the drawing area tab. Okay. So the all the level will turn all the bubble will be blue, and it indicate that the level is active. So any other question? Any question? Ada yang tertinggal ke apa ke?
Ya, sir, ya. Tengah
Okay. Okay, so I will repeat it again. So we will do it together. Okay. So first of all, you go to the view tab. You go to the view tab. At the create column, we go to the plan view. On the plan view, select floor plan. Okay, select floor plan. And select all the level that not yet active. So for me, it's level 3, level 4, level 5. And click OK. Okay. And then you can see at your floor plan, automatic, it will another additional level 3, level 4, level 5. And you go to the drawing area at the east elevation, and you identify that your level bubble is already blue, meaning it is already active. Okay, how to identify your level is active? It will appear in the floor plan and the bubble will be blue. That's it. Okay, any question? Ada yang tertinggal? Oh, ada yang tak boleh buat?
okay.
Okay. Ada yang tak siap lagi ke?
Ya,
Okay.
Sir,
Ya?
yang benda biru tu boleh alihkan ke kiri ke kanan ke?
Boleh.
Oh ya? Yeah.
Okay. Select grid dulu. Select level dulu. Nampak tak ada bulat ni sikit? small circle ni, whole small circle tu. Okay, for example lah, ini tak hebat. For example lah, let's say lah. Okay, tiba-tiba kan, kopi tiba-tiba tersengit kan. Macam, it's not like, not align lah. Okay, so we want to align back the level lah. Nak kemaskan lah. So we want to make it like, kemas lah. Kan? So click the level first and you can see at the end of the level have a small circle. So you hold the small circle until like a blue line. So it means like the line is already parallel, already aligned. So you can boleh gerakkan kiri ke kanan, tak ada masalah. Okay, and same goes to the this side. So you can move it easily. Terdapat. Oh, sini. Okay, and you can line the dotted blue line will indicate that the line is already aligned. Okay, that's it. So for some of you yang tak sempat nak buat dimension, some of you want to know how to make this dimension, you go to this annotate tab, you find a line and you select the item that you want to measure. For example, you want to measure only level 2, level 1. So you click level 2, level 1 and click to the drawing area. So it will measure for this particular level only. But if you want to extend your dimension, for example, you want to continue to measure to level 3, level 4, level 5, or you accidentally click at the drawing area, so you want to continue. You doesn't need to do it back. You can do it back also, okay, but we want to make it easier. So you click to your dimension first, and you click at this edit and edit with this line. Okay. Then you can add your dimension lah. Either you want to add it to level 3, level 4, and level 5, and click to any other at the drawing area, or click or press escape. Sorry, that's it. You need to click at the drawing area. So it with this line, and you click to the line that you want to measure, and click to any other place at the drawing area. So it will create the dimension.
Sir, yang gambar kuci tu apa
Okay, for example, you could find at the dimension has a lock right here. Okay, what you mean by lock? You can select lock. Okay, so if like, let's say I only lock this level 1 to level 2, level 2 to level 3, and level 4 to level 5. So I want to show the difference between what is the difference. So right now you can okay, sorry. So I will show the function first. Okay, so if you for example, you only want to change the distance between the level 4 and level 5. If you're not locked, so you go to the level 4 and you change the distance between level 3 and level 4 is 4,000. Okay, you can see automatically the distance between level 4 and level 5 is 1,900, because logically the level 4 is moved upwards. So what you can do is you click the dimension and you click lock at level 4 and level 5. Means that you want to like lock the distance between level 4 and level 5 is 4,000. You doesn't want to change it. Okay. So you click lock and you go to the level 4 and you change it to 4,000. Okay. Automatically the distance between level 4 and level 5 is still 4,000 and it will move upward because we already locked the dimension. Okay, understand? And another function is equal. Let's say you, okay. Oh, sorry. Let's say for example like maybe like ni tak payah buat tak apa. So I need to unlock it first. Okay. For example, you have like multiple of numbers and you want to make it like equal. You make it the same. Okay. You click your dimension first, and at the right side you can see that EQ/2. You can click EQ mean equal, so it will divide it to the same distance for each of the level, and then you unclick it back. So you can see every distance is the same. That's it. Not, a little bit function uh, of dimension. We will use it more in in the placement in the placement of libraries later. But if any question, I just will go through first. Okay. Any other question? So if not, okay. I assume that everyone already settled this. Okay. And then what we need to do is we need to go to the floor plan level 1. So you go to your project browser. At the floor plan, you click level 1. So this is your level 1. So right now, we already settled level. We want to make grid line. Okay. In order to make a grid line, we need to know the best point first. Okay. How to find the best point? Okay, first of all, you go to the view control bar at the bottom. You click the reveal hidden element or the mental. You click the mental icon. You click the reveal hidden element. Okay. You can see uh you can see that the red things this is what we call base point. Okay. First of all, you select okay component. So we need to select all of the component. So right now it has project base point and another one is behind it. So in order to select multiple component in the same time, you will use type selector. You hold you go to the left side, you hold, and you can see it has the selection box lah. Nampak? You click on the left side, you selection box of all the component. Okay. So it has two component lah. So if you want to identify it first, you can filter it. Okay. So it has project base point, it has survey point. So okay lah. We need to select these two component and click OK. And unhide in category. And off the reveal hidden element. Okay. I will repeat. I will repeat. Okay. We want to show the base point. Okay. First of all, you go to the view control bar and you go to the reveal hidden element or the mental icon. Okay, you hold your click, you left click, uh, it will create the selection box. Okay, so you select both of the component. If you want to like recheck, either you select both of the component, you can go to the filter. Okay, so you select base point or survey point. Okay, unhide category. Okay, and then you off the reveal hidden element mode lah. Either you click here or you click back at the mental icon. Okay, that's it. So semua ada lah base point. Ada yang tak ada tiba-tiba. Ada does any of you doesn't show the base point? Okay. If you don't have problem, we will continue to make a grid line. Okay. So the the basic of doing model in Revit, your A1 grid will touch the base point. So first of all, you go to the architecture tab. Okay. At the architecture tab, you go to the datum column and click grid. Okay, great. Okay. Okay. A1 must intersect the base point. So what you do, you select click and you click first at the point of the base point. Okay. You can see it only like it show like pink. Pink region, and you just click and drag up. Okay. Okay, so this is okay. If you want to change the name also, you can click the grid and change the name and change it into A. So usually at the top is alphabet. So that's how you gonna create. So same as the level, either you want to create by one also can, or in easy way, you just need to copy, because this grid doesn't need to active it. It only guide for us to do the model lah. So
Ada soalan. Kan
okay,
kita tarik benda ni yang dekat base point ni.
okay.
Saya punya dia tak straight dengan benda ni. Memang ke?
Tak
Apa?
punya straight. Can you share your screen?
Boleh.
Boleh.
Ya, ya.
Boleh. Alright.
Share.
Boleh share. Boleh. Rasanya tak biasa pakai Zoom kan. Kalau Google Meet boleh share macam-macam.
Boleh share. Boleh. Dapat. Maafkan saya.
Dah.
Dapat saya.
Oh, sekejap. Nampak. Sekejap, saya stop. Cuba share. Okay.
Nampak?
Nampak?
Yang ni saya. Yang benda ni.
Oh, okay. Okay. Maksud dia benda tu apa? Benda tu?
Dia tak straight.
Okay,
Kan
tak apa.
benda punya kan straight.
Okay, tak apa.
Okay.
Okay. So, some of you has facing that issue, Okay. Actually, it doesn't matter because if you can move that things. Okay. So I will teach you. Okay. First of all, I will teach you the difference between the selection box and the task selection. Okay. So left to right is the selection box. Mean any component that are in the box will be selected. So it is left to right. Okay, left to right. Okay. So component in the box is selected. Okay. So task selection is component that are touch the box. Okay, you can see the difference. It also select the grid because it touch the box. So this is what we call touch
Saya
selection.
dapat
Right to left.
screen.
Okay.
Sebelum share.
Allah. Yep. Okay, okay.
Recording in progress.
Okay. Okay. So I will explain it back. Okay, first of all, I will show you selection box. Selection box is so left to right. Any component that are in the box will be selected. Okay, you can see the elevation bubble is selected because it is in the box. Okay, so that is when you hold left to right. You hold your left click, hold your right click, and select from left to right. It will use a selection box. Selection box is where the component is in the box will be selected. Okay, and another one is selection touch. Okay, you hold your cursor. And it will appear the conceptual tab, and it will you select the edit weakness line, and you will continue to make uh, another dimension. Okay, after you do grades, and you need to check all your elevation. Okay, here it's not like tidy yet, so make it like okay so, like you drag it a bit, and you go to like other elevation for if the level is not like until the end of the grid, so drag it to ensure to make it easy during the modeling process. Okay, same goes to all elevation. I think okay, everything good. Okay, so any of you that some of the elevation does not appear grid. Maybe some of you you can ask me. For example, it was like this. Oh no. Okay. For example, let's say your your okay your grid was not at the end of the level 5, so your level 5 will not have grid. Okay, understand? Okay, because your grid, your alphabet grid does not pass the level 5. So what you need to do is you need to rise up your alphabet grid past the level 5, so that your level 5 will have alphabet grid. So that's it. If some of you might facing that common mistake, I think like every SEM ada that mistake. Macam can't really see the grid. Okay, so what you need to do is you check to the elevation, does the grid pass to the level 5? So let's say it's not, you can't see it, so there is no alphabet. So what you need to do is to rise up the alphabet grid pass to the level 5. Okay. Okay. So what we're gonna do now, after what we're gonna do now is okay, we're gonna change level 1 into ground floor plan. So change the name into 01. Okay. And would you like to rename corresponding view, and click yes. Okay. So under the floor plan, at the project browser, your level 1 will change into 01 ground floor plan. Okay. Right now, I want to like I want to move the level 2 until the distance between okay, I will change, we will change the name first. Okay, so the level 2 will be floor plan. Floor. Would you like to okay, and click yes. So it will change all the corresponding view, and this level will start with level 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So ground floor plan, level 2, level 3, level 4. Okay. If you right now, the distance between ground floor plan and floor plan is only 600. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move the level 1 downwards lah. So but the level floor plan to level 2 must be remain the same lah. Sorry, must be at 3,500. So we need to change level 4 to level 3 is 3,500 first. Oh, no. Okay. So we need to change level 4 to level 3 is 3,500. So if you if you lock, you must unlock it first to change the distance lah. So level 4 to level 3 is 3,500. Okay. You click first, level you want to move and change it to 3,500. Same goes to here, 3,500. Oh, and you need to lock it back. Okay. You change first and you lock it. Okay. Same goes to here. Level 3, you change to 3,500 and you need and escape and click back and lock it. And same goes to here, level 2. Change it to 3,500 and escape and click back and lock it. Okay. The distance between ground floor plan and floor plan must be 600. So click the floor plan and click the distance between the ground floor plan and floor plan to 600. Okay. If you lock level the distance upwards, and then it will not change. It will not change, it will lock. Okay. So this is the new dimension each of the level. So this will make you like know how to like resort the level or change the level, or maybe like learn how to lock the level lah, in case on site that you might have some problem with the level, maybe like say that foundation level have the like kind of that macam ada air ke bawah tu kan, so ada sungai, kadang-kadang ada case ada sungai dekat bawah tu, so what you need to do is to like change the level a little bit lah. Okay. So any issue about change the level punya, change level punya distance? Okay. Okay.
Saya punya yang level ni dia terbalik dengan saya punya.
Okay,
Dia
okay.
arah dia terbalik.
Maksudnya dia dekat belah sini.
Okay.
Okay. So what you need to do is you click the level, you click the level and you find out that it has the show bubble or like box ni. Nampak box ni. And you just click. You tick it, automatic dia ada lah. So mana-mana pun boleh je sebenarnya. Tapi kalau nak buat, let's say nak buat one side je, antik lah salah satu. That's it. So ni antik salah satu lah. That's it lah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So change your level as exactly as mine. Any question yang tertinggal ke boleh tanya. Or some of you might lost. You can ask me or WhatsApp. Okay. We will stop at 12:30 and we will continue back at 2. Okay. And for those of you like lost or have a question, you can stay. I will help you. And this evening we will go to make wall, to make floor, and to place door and window. Okay. Tomorrow we will make we will copy monitor, we will copy to the next floor, and we must change a little bit, and we will do roof. Okay, that's it for the architect modeling. Okay, so this day, maybe this evening, we will create floor, wall, and placement of door and window. Tomorrow we will do the next floor and the roof. Maybe some of you have a question, you can ask me. If this class like physically happen, and I will like easier to monitor you lah. So once this online class, if you doesn't ask, I don't know what is your problem. Ground floor plan, you must click your ground floor plan first and zoom skip, and you find that has a zigzag punya icon at elbow. Okay, and you click the add elbow, automatically you can adjust whenever you want. Dapat? So you click the grid first and you find that the zigzag elbow or add elbow, and you click it. So you can freely adjust. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
And for those yang tak settle lagi grid, okay, you nampak. So this is your grid and your level. And for those who already finished, you can boleh rehat dulu, take a rest, and we will continue at 2 p.m. And for those who have question, I will stay here until 12:50 maybe. Okay. And that's it. Thank you. Uh, uh, tapi kalau boleh settlekan dulu lah grid line dengan level ni. Because at 2 p.m. session we will continue of creating wall, floor and placement of door and window. And maybe kalau sempat kita we will do a placement of furniture in case that we ni sempat